Cheetahs may look fierce, but unlike lions or tigers, they don't roar. They chirp, yelp, and purr like oversized house cats. This is because their voice box is built differently, with fixed vocal cords that can't produce the deep vibrations needed for a roar. Instead, cheetahs use high-pitched chirps to communicate, especially between mothers and their cubs or to call out across the grasslands. So while they're the fastest hunters on land, their gentle chirps reveal a surprisingly soft side to these wildcats.